feels like a warm, fuzzy hug. Absolutely in love with this color. Look at this blazer dress, makes your waist look so snatched. Hello everybody, my name is Purva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today again I'm back here with another extremely exciting video. तो आज का वीडियो भी बहुत ही मजेदार होने वाला है. It's going to be extremely appropriate for the season coming right now because we're almost entering winter season. I feel like November, December is something when winters kind of start and you kind of start feeling a little chilly. This is basically going to be a winter wear video. But isme I'm going to be focusing on dresses because I have a lot of winter dresses for you guys. I feel like even if it's not summer, why would you not wear your dresses? Because that is something that I absolutely love. If you guys are looking to kind of up your style a little bit and if you want to wear dresses this season, this winter season, this video is definitely for you. Ye sari dresses Myntra se hai, as you might have read by the title itself. And yeah, if you're interested in something like that, please keep on watching. And without making this intro any longer, let's get right into the video. So the first dress I want to talk about is the one I'm wearing right now. Let me just move this a little bit and show you guys what it looks like. So this is basically a really nice black long dress. And as you can see, it's full sleeve. And the material is super duper soft. बहुत ही अच्छा material है. And it's kind of warm. I'm indoors right now and it's literally afternoon. But I'm pretty warm at the moment and it's keeping me nice and comfortable. Nice jacket and some stockings and boots. I think it'll be perfect. The length is also lovely. It's so chic and beautiful. There's also a little slit over here, जो कि ज़्यादा लंबा honestly है नहीं. It is a nice little deep neck situation over here, like a V-neck. There's some nice black buttons given over here. It looks something like that. So I feel like you're also in trend and you're also looking snatched while being very comfortable and cozy and warm in your winter dresses. Moving on to our second dress is basically almost the same thing. It's literally the same thing, same brand, same size, but just a different color. So this one is in a lovely gray. Again, this is such a winter color. Now, if I want to show you the slit a little closely, that is how it looks like. I love that it has full sleeves. It's very warm. It has this nice ribbed material, as you can see. A lot of brands like even H&M and all do this kind of material, which is perfect in the winters. A little thick, but not too thick. It has some nice grey buttons over here. पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It's long and nice. पीछे से कोई slit नहीं है. I just want to mention. You can also wear this as a cardigan. आप ये सारे buttons निकाल के, obviously these buttons are removable. So you can always remove all these buttons and wear this as a cardigan as well. Next, moving on, I have the third piece, which is a lovely color. Again, I think this is kind of the color of the season. What a beautiful color. This wouldn't pass off as like cherry red, I think, but it's probably a few shades darker than cherry red. It's basically a two-piece situation, two-piece set. And this is what the dress looks like. Again, as you can see, the material is nice, pretty thick, not gonna lie. It's nice and warm and comfortable. No zips, no buttons, nothing in this dress. You can आराम से slip yourself into this. अच्छा है, breathable है, एकदम skin fit भी नहीं है. Lovely quality, by the way. All these dresses, honestly, I'm so impressed with Myntra this time. And that is what the back looks like. Now, इसके बाजू से there is this little bit of a slit situation, but ये बहुत ही छोटा है, बिल्कुल negligible hai. Moving on to the cardigan of it, which kind of really adds a lot to the dress in itself. And of course, it's so reusable. You can always style this in so many different ways as well. So this is what the cardigan looks like. I absolutely love this piece. This particular cardigan is supposed to be worn, on top of the dress, which is going to definitely make the dress look so much better. This one has about 4 buttons over here. इसमें शायद और भी colors है. I'm not completely sure. But of course, I'm going to be linking every single thing for you guys down below in the description. So don't forget to check it out. It's full sleeve, as you can see. And यहाँ पर कुछ भी button वगैरह नहीं है. It's just simple. The buttons are only here in the middle. And ये पीछे से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Moving on, I have the next dress for you guys. This is a little different than the other dresses, but again, super chic, super lovely. So this is basically a blazer dress. As you can see, oh my god, this is so smart. Like when you wear it, क्या लगता है? मतलब this is amazing. And imagine this with a pair of nice stockings and some high boots or even some high knee boots or whatever would look absolutely amazing. You can always definitely open up the buttons and wear it like a blazer, or you can shut the buttons and wear it like a blazer dress. So this is what it looks like. Now this one's not very long, as you can see. It is a short blazer dress, so I feel like, of course, in winters you would want to keep your legs warm. So iske niche I think आप stockings definitely पहन सकते हो. You also get those fur stockings in the market nowadays. A lot of them have been going viral. So those really pretty fur stockings also something you can pair this up with. And it's black, so it's a classic color. You wouldn't need a lot of thinking, to go behind if you're running late in the morning. Ki kya pehnu, kya pehnu. So this is something we definitely reach out to. Also, Oh, I don't think there's pockets. It's just, oh yeah, it's just fake pockets, guys. Let me just show you an up close view of what it looks like. That's the sleeve, full sleeve. Idhar kuch button nahi hai. And यहाँ पर again it has some nice collars, just like how a normal blazer would have. पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Moving on to the next piece I have. This one is a simpler, more on the casual side. So, but like I love the color, to be honest. So this is what the next piece looks like. बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छा color है. And of course, the material, as you can see, is proper wintry material. Like, look at the quality. Really, really like it. It's so soft and nice and warm and fuzzy, which is exactly what we need during the winter seasons. That's what the neck part looks like. Again, it has a little bit of texture over here, which I love. And then it goes like that. The same kind of texture is done as well on the sleeve, right? So this is kind of matching this as well. It's short, relatively shorter than the other ones. Moving on to another black number. Now, I don't know if this is completely going to pass off as winter wear. I was a little, this thing when I saw, I mean, ye thoda patla hai, just, I want to mention that. Baki kuch nahi, the dress is really pretty, but just winter wear mein, but I still wanted to, you know, like kind of include it in this video because why not? Someone likes it, my job here is done, right? So this is what the next piece looks like. Again, look at the print. Love it. So classy. Love the entire color combination. It's black and beige and golden, which again is a classic. And this is what it looks like from the front. यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि you're wearing like a short, tight blazer. But it's actually nothing like that. It's just the dress का illusion. From the back, it's very simple. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपने blazer पहना है तो ऊपर से पूरा ये वैसा ही है and then नीचे से the dress kind of continues. The way they've kind of made it is really commendable and I like this piece. Okay, moving on to one of my really, really favorite pieces from this particular collection. Look at this color, you guys. Like, wow. And the way this dress fits. Because you can see there's a proper cinch situation they've given near the waist. I feel like this fits so well. Not very long, not very short. It's somewhere in the middle. And yeah, that's what it looks like up close. Again, some nice texture done over here. Some nice ribbed texture done over here. पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Simple, subtle. Next dress that I have is this white number, which is literally, it's like a warm hug. Like it's a warm hug in a dress. Matlab, it's so soft. It's so furry and like the you know the quality is literally as smooth as butter. I love this particular dress and when I'm touching it only I feel like it's so fuzzy and warm and cute, which is absolutely the vibe for winter this season. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now this one is surprisingly sleeveless, you know, as you can see. And that's what it looks like from the back. Again, extremely simple. Now, because it's sleeveless, you can always wear a nice high neck turtleneck situation inside, like a turtleneck top from like of different colors. Even like a dark emerald green color would go, a maroon color would go, a black color would go. And if you don't want to put kind of like layer inside, you can always layer outside as well. You can always wear a nice trench coat or, you know, like even a fur jacket or maybe like a leather jacket, a denim jacket, something on those lines. So yeah, this one's a beautiful piece as well. मुझे तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. You can play around with this so much. Moving on to one of our last few dresses. So this is what the next piece looks like. The kind of material that they've used is extremely ribbed, you know, and I feel like it's kind of a little thicker, like on the thicker side, and it's also sleeve, you know, full sleeve and stuff. So I feel like you can definitely kind of layer as well, like layer on this and, you know, wear it in the winter season. It's a classic black color. And as you can see, aage se there's a round neck. Again, some texture given on the collar. It is full sleeve. Then you can always wear a trench coat or maybe a leather jacket or something on top and kind of make it even more fashionable as well as warm. Honestly, kuch bhi nahi hai. There's no zip. There is no button. There is no particular detailing that I should be mentioning. But yeah, it's honestly very stretchable as well. So you really don't need any kind of zipper or, you know, some buttons to kind of fit yourself in this. Bahut easily ho jayega. Moving on to our last dress of this particular video. Very cute, a little different aesthetic as you can see. It's giving a little retro chic. If any of you are looking for, you know, kind of very cute dresses like little girly situation, I feel like this could be your pick because of what the even color looks like. I feel like the colors also very nice, very subtle, a little girly. It has a nice white collar and a beautiful mauve color on the dress. And पीछे से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Now this one has a proper zip. I'm struggling a little bit with the zipper, so I feel like the zipper quality is not, you know, honestly a 10 on 10. But मेरे से खुल नहीं रहा है, मुझे तोड़ना भी नहीं है. तो you can do that. But मैं अंदर से आपको दिखाती हूँ कि zip कितना लंबा है. So in case if you are looking to buy something like that, at least you know what the zipper is like. This is what the zipper is from outside, right? And under se if I want to show you the length, it literally goes, it has a pretty good length. So like आप आराम से पूरा zipper खोल के ना, you can easily put yourself in the dress. So it goes literally all the way till here. It kind of goes all the way till the mid part of your back. पीछे से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. You can definitely let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite piece. I actually have another part 2 coming on this. मैंने बहुत सारे dresses order किए थे. Of course, I'm going to be linking all of these dresses in the description box below for you guys. So don't forget to check them out. I'm going to be giving one particular link and you can definitely click on that and you will find all these different 9-10 options. If you've reached this part of the video, I'm really glad. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. Please don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite piece in the comments below, share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I really hope you guys enjoyed my recommendations. I'm definitely going to be back with something very exciting. Until then, you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.